Should I use these online immigration form preparers? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our offices in St. Louis, Missouri. Listen, I know that it's expensive, that the immigration process is expensive. I tell people all the time, especially on marriage-based cases, that love is expensive. I get it. Immigration lawyers are expensive. We charge thousands of dollars to help people with their green cards. Some people simply can't afford it. And so they might turn to these online companies like Rapid Visa or Boundless, I think one's called. There are a bunch of them that'll, at varying degrees, help you fill out your forms. I'm not a big believer in this. I've seen so many train wrecks come out of these applications. I've seen people really screw them up, and the problem is that when there's a mistake, there's usually no one to be found at the form preparer outfits, and this is true certainly of notarios. That happens all the time, but also even with these online portals that will do your forms. Now, some people might say, Jim, you're just saying this because you're an immigration lawyer and you want to make as much money as possible. Well, that's true. I am an immigration lawyer, and I do like growing our firm. That's all true. But I'm not telling you because of that. I mean, I believe that most cases are complex enough to need an immigration lawyer. I had someone yesterday ask me, if I have a lawyer, are they going to be suspicious? No, they're not going to be suspicious if you have a lawyer. But these form companies, really, you're not getting much value for your buck. You should be able to figure out which forms you need on your own. So I think that all that they do is really just tell you how to fill out the forms, and then they help you print them out, and then they're gone. They don't sign the forms. They're not standing behind the forms. They're not correcting the forms. We've seen a lot of problems. People get their cases denied. We've seen someone get put into deportation because of a job that somebody did on one of these form sites. So I really encourage you. I think you're probably smarter than the form fillers. I think you're probably smart enough to do it on your own. But again, I don't think anybody should do it on their own. So I understand that it's sort of a nice price point and that it saves you some money, but man, if immigration is important, if being together with your loved ones, if building your life in the United States on solid ground is important, I would encourage you to at least talk to an immigration lawyer. We don't charge for our consults. We can tell you whether we think it's one that you can do on your own, but I'll tell you right now that I'm not going to recommend that you use one of these online forms. So if you have questions about this, or if you've been screwed over by one of these companies, we'd love to hear about it. Give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us on our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. We'd love to see you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We get a new video every day. And finally, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, usually around noon Central Time, I'll be live in our Facebook group and on our YouTube channel, answering as many immigration-related questions as we can in just 60 minutes. Hope to see you there. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.